National Secretary Jongka BJP wakmi ia kathan chatela mingi Rituraj Sinha hinengesngi ula Pynthikna ba ka jingdawa kabala shu sateng na kabenta ban kinthop ia ka Ktien Khasi bat Garo ha ka khernet ka pra Jongka Sinshar khadar ha India kan sayo I biang ia ka jingshai Jongka sngi Lada ka BJP ka wan ha ka bor ha Meghalaya. Habakren berkilat pathai kubor halor ki kaptu kat niki matrekam bala pelat da ka seng ha shilong min ha ka khatsan terik metau benai usin ha ula ong baki patba Jongka jela Meghalaya ki don ya ka riti kolshor ka beriuspa da ka bebinrap baki ne ki Ktien dei ban Ithuh no. Kaseng ka persangkat bala ban yo I yakini baro hadin ke election. Lada ka don ya bunteli kisuki. Uloong ba on sawan ra ya kani ka mat ha ka yeng dorbar bat on ya trilang rengkat bat ka sorkar pedeng ha ka baydei bat kani ka binta.
People of Meghalaya have a very rich culture, and the Khasi and Garo languages have hundreds of years of cultural value. We believe that these languages must be considered for inclusion in the 8th schedule, and BJP stands with the Garo people and the Khasi people for inclusion of these languages. We will do our best after election. If we have adequate number of seats, we will move this in the Legislative Assembly and work in close coordination with central government to take this request up.